Hello, friends! Welcome to our animal counting adventure. Are you ready to count animals together? Let's go! Look, here's our first animal. It's an elephant. How many elephants do we see? Let's count together. 1. That's 1 elephant. Let's say one more time. 1. O-N-E. 1. Now, we have 2 tall giraffes. Let's count. 1, 2. That's 2 giraffes. Say it with me. 2. T-woo-oh. 2. Next up, 3 zebras with black and white stripes. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3. That's 3 zebras. Say it together. 3. Ta-ha-ra-e. 3. Here come the kings of the jungle. 4 lions. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 4th. We have 4 lions. Can you say it? 4. F-O-R. 4. 5 playful monkeys. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. We have 5 monkeys. Say it loud. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Meow! 6 cute cats are here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. 6. That's 6 cats. Say it with me. 6. S-I-X. 6. Bouncing around, we have 7 fluffy rabbits. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. 6. 7. That's 7 rabbits. Let's say it together. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Ribbit, ribbit. 8 frogs are here to join us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. 6. 7. 8. That's 8 frogs. Say it loud. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Quack, quack. 9 ducks are here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. That's 9 ducks. Say it together. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Swimming around, we have 10 little fish. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 4th. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That's 10 fish. Can you say it? 10. 10. Let's learn to count with our farm animal friends. Ready? Let's go! Our first animal is dog. Did you know that dogs can hear sounds much better than people? They can even hear sounds that are too quiet for us to hear. Can you count how many dogs are here? That's right, just 1. We have 1 dog. Our next farm friend is cow. Did you know that cows have best friends? They get really happy when they're near their favorite buddy, and it helps them stay calm. Can you count how many cows are here? That's right, 2. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up. They often take short naps without lying down. Can you count how many horses are here? That's right, 3. We have 3 horses. Next farm friend is a goat. Did you know that goats are super curious animals? They love to explore and climb. Some goats can even climb trees and rocks. Isn't that fun? Can you count how many goats are here? That's right, 4. Goose. Did you know that geese are great swimmers? They can paddle through the water using their strong wings. Geese also like to honk loudly to talk to their friends. Can you count how many geese are here? That's right, 5. Here comes Pig. Did you know that pigs are very smart? They can learn tricks and even play games. They love to roll in the mud to keep cool and stay clean. Can you count how many pigs are here? That's right, 6. We have 6 pigs. Sheep. Sheep are very fluffy animals, and they can be white, brown, or black. Did you know they have excellent memories? They can remember other sheep and even people for years. Can you count how many sheeps are here? That's right, 7 sheeps. Duck. Ducks are great swimmers. They can even quack in different ways to talk to each other. Can you count how many ducks are here? That's right, 8 ducks. Our next farm friend is a chicken. Chickens are very special because they can lay eggs. Some chickens can even lay different colored eggs, like brown, white, and blue. Isn't that cool? Can you count how many chickens are here? That's right, 9. We have 9 chickens. Rabbit. Did you know that rabbits can jump really high? They can leap up to 3 feet in the air. That helps them escape from predators quickly. Let's count how many rabbits we have here. That's right, 10. We have 10 rabbits. How many apples do you see here? That's right, it's 1. O-N-E, 1. Very good. How many ducks are swimming here? Yes, it's 2. T-bo-o, 2. Superb! How many frogs are on the lily pads? It's 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. How many balloons are flying high? It's 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Awesome! How many strawberries do you see here? Yes, it's 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Awesome! How many bees are buzzing around? Correct, it's 6. S-I-X, 6. How many carrots are there? It's 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. How many crayons are ready to color? Yes, it's 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Very good. How many kittens are playing here? Correct, it's 9. N-I-N-E, 9. How many cupcakes do you see? Yes, it's 10. Tai, Nunhen. Superb, kids. Let's go one more time.
1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together, my friends.
Wow, great job counting with all these amazing animals. You did fantastic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, Zoo Funhouse. Bye-bye.